Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is Samsung T420 Soundbar with subwoofer. This gear deserves your attention. I'm going to show you how to set this up and connect it. Okay, this product is nice quality. It will give you a nice surround sound in your home. Okay, and if you check my video, you see what is inside. Okay, right now this is the remote control and the power cable. Okay, and this is for you to mount it. Okay, so you can use this to set it up to mount. Okay, this is included in packaging. Now what we need to do is to set it up and test the sound quality. Okay, is what we're going to do. And for us to do that, from the back here, this is the subwoofer. Okay, with this subwoofer, you connect it at the back. Okay, so you can connect it via optic cable, okay, USB cable, and optical digital audio cable, which is optical. Okay, and the subwoofer. So you plug in the subwoofer right here. It doesn't need a separate power cable, so you just need to plug it in right here. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is basically connect this to the power. So 3-pin power cable is included. This gear, one remote control is included. It's nice Samsung soundbar with wired subwoofer. Enrich your viewing experience. Immerse yourself with sound. Okay, if you are watching your favorite movie or playing video game or YouTube channels, you are ready to go. Okay, so basically this end will go in right here. So this is where it goes. Okay, plug it, push it in. Okay, push inside. Now I'm going to connect this to the power socket. Okay, so plug it to the power socket. Okay, and this in right now is plugged into the power socket. What I'm going to do is, so this is the on and off button. Okay, and also you can see we'll show you line in. Okay, so this is on and off. You can see off right now. Okay, so you can connect, you can control this from right here. You can also increase the volume, decrease, also change to particular. So press on. This is hello. Right now BT. Okay, so right now it's asking us pairing. What I want us to do, I want us to set this up also with the remote control. It's easy with the remote control, but you can also control it from the device. Okay, so to set this up, you need to push this. This can be a bit awkward sometimes to open, but you just need to push down. Here we go. Now I'm going to use the, so battery is included. Okay, so negative, so make sure you align it together where it's supposed to go. Okay, and this end. Okay, and close. Push it right in. So right now, so with this remote control, what we need to do is okay, So make sure, I think the socket come off a little bit, so press. Right, I think this is not in properly, so we're going to make sure it's in. So push it in, right in. Okay, push it right in. Okay, now what we need to do is plug in the socket. Once you plug in the socket, okay, you can see it's on. Now we need to search for the Bluetooth. Okay, so right now BT is pairing, so we need to look for Bluetooth. Okay, you can see, so you turn it on right here. You can also use the remote control. Okay, now I need to look for this device on my mobile phone and for us to test this. Okay, and this is what we need to do. So basically, so for us to test this, we need to look for this device. Go to your mobile phone or your TV. So search for available Bluetooth device. Okay, so go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, the next thing to do is go to device connectivity, switch on your Bluetooth on. Okay, and now what we need to do is we need to look for this device. Okay, by clicking, make sure you search, use your remote control to click on it and search for available Bluetooth device. Okay, and you can see BT pairing, so we'll look for it and click on BT pairing. To see if the right now we need to, okay, here we go, Samsung Soundbar T4 series. So I connected the previous speaker. Okay, so what we need to do right now is select Samsung T4 series, click on it and click pair. And it's saying right now connected to the media. Okay, so right now we need to go back to the epidemic sound. Okay, go back to the epidemic sound and search for this music. Epidemic sound is what we're going to do now. Okay, click on epidemic sound, and for us to test the sound quality of this gear. Okay, so here is the epidemic sound. Select the particular music you want. So go to Epic. Okay, and go to popular. Click on it. Here we go. So you can use this to increase the volume, reduce the volume. This is beautiful. Oh, amazing stuff. You can see. select the sound mode. And select the sound mode. Okay. Beautiful stuff. So guys, this is awesome. I thought to show you this gear. This is how to set this up. Okay. Nice. Beautiful stuff. Awesome. Beautiful. This is woofer and volume. You can also reduce the volume from here. Okay, so guys, thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.